Hello, hi, and welcome. Why is this not working? Uh-huh. Okay, sure, why not? I don't care. Okay, good, perfect. Hello, hi, and welcome. So we are still on this game. Like this, this has been a week for I think for the last 1.5 weeks, maybe even 2 weeks. It's crazy. So we're still on it. And I thought, like, what are we going to do next and stuff? I'm always thinking. Not I'm not always thinking about what we're going to do, but I'm always thinking like, let's do a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay. And I want to go a little bit more in the. I want to repair my phone. Like we already have this phone right now, right? I can change between landscape mode and portrait. And I can turn the flashlight off. I don't care about the flashlight. I care about this, like flipping this. There should be more to it. Like the phone is a central element, so I want to get more into this. And what we have so far, I completely want to overhaul. Not 100%, but quite a lot. I want to overhaul it quite a lot. That means I need to change it. First of all, I'm going to touch the phone here and I'm going to create new behavior in it. Right now we have connected this different canvases that we are going to draw, which I'm still going to do, but it's going to be different. It's not depending on the position of the phone. It's really, you can switch between those using buttons. All right, using buttons, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4 probably. That's gonna be your different apps. Yes. 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 And the location of your phone, like you can switch with right mouse button. I think right mouse button is what I want to use. So we're gonna change a lot. Like from what we have right now, we're pressing M, and M actually changes the position of the phone, but also activates the map, which I don't want. I want just 1, 2, 3, 4 should switch throughout apps, and right mouse button is between portrait and landscape mode. So zoomed and not zoomed, if you prefer that. How do I do this? Where do I even have those controls? This project is already quite big. I don't know where all the controls are anymore. If I made it correct, I've got a script player controls and it should be in there. Maybe? Quit game camera. Input get button down 1. On script camera. Phone behavior. Oh, there is phone behavior. There is camera mode. Oh, I have a script called camera mode. That is actually good. But I want to change this. I want to change this and I want to call it differently. Everything here is going to change. Which is probably a bad thing to do, but who cares? And then we have flashlight mode, that's okay. But camera mode, I just did that so I have it saved for later if it doesn't work. Camera mode, if battery, no, that doesn't matter anymore. This should be then just switch orientation. Right, switch orientation. Yeah. I think that's more like it. Oh, this is gonna be annoying, especially with the camera. But that doesn't matter. So we're working on it. Not this. And I will add, of course, we now need a mode. I'll just do that, make that public. Camera orientation, where 0 is portrait mode and 1 is landscape. Lampscape. Yes, lampscape. That's how we call it. Is false, of course. False and true. So camera orientation. So it's gonna be pretty simple, actually. We're gonna toggle that camera orientation. Hey Yoshi Dotishka, hi. Namaste. And camera orientation, that's good. If the battery is... I don't care about the battery anymore. And then we have camera active, which I don't care about as well. I only care about the coordinates here, actually. So I can get rid of all of this. Oh, that is difficult. Yotishka. It's... I'm not good with languages. I can speak German and English, that's it. Pronunciation was always quite bad. Switch orientation, camera orientation, and then if camera orientation is whatever, if it's true, then we're going to landscape. That's correct. Okay. So now we just need to have that switch orientation in our player controls, but I'm wondering, why do I have get mouse button here? Why was it get mouse button before? Oh, because I used right mouse button, that's right. Get mouse button, that's the right mouse button, I didn't press M. Switch orientation is the function now. Yoink. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Right mouse button, I can just switch between landscape and portrait mode. Should be it. Yeah. I mean, this is of course useless now. Like, it's not automatically rotating, don't get me wrong. It's never, it's definitely not gonna rotate correctly. I have a question about the best way is just to ask here, Armor. Hi. Thing is, if you contact me by email or so, I read a lot of those mails, but I barely get to answer them because it's quite a lot. We've got this, we've got that. That's good. Hi SBNS. Hi, I'm good. How are you? How is everyone? I'm impolite. I always forget asking how everyone is. So that's this, right? That's this. Good. And now I want to have a script for every single mode. Switching modes. Now I want to have a function for switching modes, which is a public function. It is a void function. It's switch mode. Switch app. It's not the mode, it's the application. And it takes an integer because I want to have different amount of apps. I don't know how many. So that's why I'm using an integer, so I can easily add more later on. Integer app ID. Hey Salvatore. You're very welcome. And thank you very much. I love it when someone says they discovered me, like I'm something hidden, something really valuable. I'm not. I'm just sitting here. I'm just having fun on the internet. Switch app ID, and then case statement, case app ID. And there we go with our case statement. Is that how you write a case statement in... Is that how you write a case statement in C#? C# case, I have to look it up. There's too many programming languages. C# case. Ah, switch. Switch, why did I write case? Hey, yeah, I'm German. Yeah. Hi, Khalil. Rio Standard Rosendahl. No, not at all, Armor. Sorry. Then we need different cases. Case 1, just a return statement. I'm just preparing for different apps. And so on, and then of course we will have return statement. No. Default. Yeah. I have to write this? Yeah. Some programming languages need the default, some don't actually. I don't like how C# does it with the default actually. And you need a return after every case, which I don't like because sometimes I like to burn through those. Can I also make a break actually? Can I also make a continue? No. Okay. So we're going to switch the app. And then depending on the app ID. And now I just need in this phone behavior, I need all those canvases that I want to draw. And then we're going to change those. Simple. Simple, easy. And then I don't have canvas portrait and landscape. Not using those anyway, right? Yeah. We will have canvas for every single app. What's this screen called when you don't have anything on? The lock, is it lock screen? Start screen, lock screen, lock screen. All the same. Start screen. Canvas. Start screen. Canvas. Camera. Canvas off. Definitely needed somehow at some point. Canvas. We have the camera. We have the map. I think that's the ones we have for now. You are very welcome. I'm glad it helped. And canvas off. Yeah, that's okay. And now we just need to activate those. Depending on the state that we have, we're going to activate all those. Now that I realize it, we're gonna make this an array. Can I make this an array? Canvas apps. Yeah, okay, I can. So all of these are gone. And I will just define some standard cases. I will do this outside. Yeah, I will do this outside. 0 is off. 1 is the home screen. 2 is our camera. 3 is our map. And then we need to press the buttons, right? We need to press the buttons to open those. Can I do this? Do I have to do this? Yeah, okay. That's okay. I don't know. I've been sing All Star by Smash Mouth. That's actually a song that was not. It wasn't just on, but let me see. It's in the playlist I'm listening to. I think even. I won't sing. I can't sing. Let's see. Oh, it's not in the list. Ah, unfortunately, it's not in the list, so I can't sing it. Oh no. So we've got this. Now it's actually easier. I don't need a switch case statement. Ooh, this is bad, but okay. I can't. No, I can't sing. I can't sing, man. I can't. I just can't. Let me open the song. Maybe I will. All Star by Smash Mouth. So somebody once told me I can't sing. Who's gonna roll me? I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb. That's it. That's all you get, okay? That's all you get. Can I get back to my other playlist, please? Thank you. That's all you get. That's all you get. So I need to fix this later on. It's the Shrek song. I know the Shrek song. Here we actually need then just to deactivate all of the other canvases and just activate the one that we want to activate. So I'll deactivate all the others for can I just make var? No. I plus plus, no, I is smaller than, what did I call this variable? Canvas apps.length. Someone else, should I sing something else? I can't sing. No, that's it. That was the only thing. Length and I plus plus. We're gonna just deactivate all the canvases that we have here. Set active? What is it? Canvas enabled. Slipknot? I won't sing Slipknot. I don't even know the text. Like, I don't listen to a lot of metal. I haven't listened a lot to Slipknot, actually. Strangely. And now canvas app there, and we're just gonna activate the one that's there. That's it. This is our whole switch app script. Not this, but app ID. Push my finger through my eyes. That sounds horrible. That sounds terrible. Why would someone do that? So we can switch the app using this function. That's it. And now I just need to add this here somehow. Switch app. And now I need to see, depending on the button we press, we're going to call this function there. And that's it. Switch phone orientation. Slowly stops the. That sounds terrible. I'm still with. I still say that sounds terrible. That's why I don't listen to a lot of Slipknot. I listen to like Metallica and stuff, but not to this really hard stuff. Like, no, I don't. That's not my kind of music. Depends on the mood though. Sometimes I do. And now we just need to listen to all the. There's probably a better way. Get key down. Key code is 1. Can I do this? Alpha 1. What does alpha 1 mean? The 0 key on top of the alphanumerical keyboard. That's exactly what I want. But I want alpha 1. And then we're doing this. And then depending on this, we're gonna add. Oh, this is stupid. Oh, there's a code in there. Doesn't matter. Oh, app. Switch. Did I? Yeah. And then I just need to push that in here manually. This is kind of stupid, but that's what it is. I don't see a better way right now. And I want one more. That is on the circumflex button. So not on the one, even the one that's next to it. No, I don't want this one. It's okay. 1 is lock the screen. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's gonna be it. Let's see if that works. Of course it won't. I still have to do a couple of things, especially this here. Battery empty. No, this is stupid. This makes sense. If canvas off was canvas 0. But if the battery is empty, I also want to switch the app. And the app I want to switch to is off. So it's 0. No, wait. 0? Yeah, 0 is off. That's it. I'm still working on it. Every now and then I'm still working on it. I haven't done anything in like a month, I think. Let's see when I worked the last time on it. 2 months actually, but it's not on hold. It's like it's on hold for now, but it's not like I won't cancel it. But I needed to do something else. I think that's it. Now I just need to create all those canvases here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That's it. I think. Let's do it. So now we need to go in here. Now at the phone, we have all these that are not connected now. We have, you can't see it. It's right behind me. I've got this array of apps now that I have to connect here. And that's what I'm doing now. I don't have them yet. That's the thing. But I will. I think. Because there's this app thing that I've created in before already. And I'm gonna just use it. I hate that Unity does this. With just the newest version, Unity got stupid. Partly. Not 100%, but kind of stupid some parts. So we've got this app thing here now. And in this app thing, I need to add all those apps that we have, like the canvases, which I have down here. It's gonna work if I just drag and drop those here. It's, of course, now it's tilted. Let's see if that works. I'm pushing things right now. I think I'm breaking more than I'm actually fixing, but who knows? Oh, this is not a canvas. This is just a picture. Well, this are all just images. Thanks, Salvatore. One difference that that SolidWorks has, like you could create 3D models for games in SolidWorks. It's just not efficient. Like a 3D model from SolidWorks, it has like a million, not pixel, what is it called? Like vertices. Like basically, it has so much information there because it's for manufacturing. Like that would break any game. If you create all the models that you have in a game in SolidWorks or any industrial 3D software, that would break anything. That's one thing why what is it called? Digital twins are not like, you need such a strong PC to run a real digital twin, and still then it's not a real digital twin. So that's the canvas. No, I need the is a raw image also an image? Because then I'll just need images. Let me see. So then we don't need canvases in here, we need images. I could use game object, that would be the easiest, but we don't go easy. We want it correct. We want it good. Let's see if I can connect the picture in the thing that you can't see here. That would be good. Canvas portrait, no, phone. And phone itself will have off is element 0, that works. Let me see which one was which. Map is 3. Home is 1, and camera, that's the most critical one right now. Camera is... I just dropped it somewhere wrong. Shit doesn't work. I don't want to... Can I use a rect transform? Could use the canvas renderer here as well. I'll just use that stupid game. I'll just use the game objects. I don't care. No one cares. I just need to change now. This is not enabled. Set active. False. This is a bad way to do it. It doesn't matter. If you know Unity, you know it's a bad way. If you don't know Unity too much, I'm doing it correct. Yay. It's not. It's wrong. It's just wrong. It's just inefficient. It's not per se wrong, but it's just inefficient. Those things, they all go to the app, to the other app now. How did I do this? No, this is all wrong. This is all wrong. I just realized this is... It's not all wrong, but it's wrong. This is this image here. That's okay. Don't need it, though. Those 3, they will need to go into something... Oh, this goes 0, 0, 0, 0? No. That was correct. Sorry, I'm just fixing values here. I hope I didn't break too much. Then we have everything. This everything doesn't make any sense anymore. Yeah. Sorry, I'm pushing things around. I know it looks kind of, what is that guy doing over there? But I probably know it. I don't know it. What? How's it called? Smartphone BG. Don't need that anymore then? Yeah. What? No, this should stretch and go 0, 0. Wait. Ugh. Stretch 0, 0, 0, 0. One problem that we have now is this. Sorry, I'm pushing things. Zu früh. But I'm streaming a little bit longer probably today, maybe. I don't want to go like too much in the evening times. I'm on vacation. I took this week and next week off of work. I'm not going anywhere, but I've got time off. So yeah, I will stream. That's shitty. Maybe I will stream some more. What? Wait a second. Something is... Yeah, that was strange. Okay, I was wondering. No, this goes to 0, right? Yeah, 0. It should be 0. Those should all be zeros. Man, I'm such an idiot. I don't know even my own things. And then those should all go into home. Yes. And we have off. That's stupid now. Oh, 0, 0. This makes things easier. I'm making things easier. Yay. I thought I would break everything, but I'm actually making it easier. And now we have those game objects, and they should serve as the thing. I can just get rid of this, maybe? I'm breaking things. That's okay. No, actually, there was for Halloween, there was no one here. Not even a single doorbell rang. I also don't live in a house. Like, I live in an apartment. I don't own a house for me. I always wanted one, but I just don't have one. We've got the phone that should be broken now. Perfect. It's broken. That's what I wanted. As strange as it sounds, that's what I wanted. And now I want to connect all those canvases that we have to our script here that we have. And now off is 0. Off is 0. Let me just rename those as well. 0 off. 1 is home. 1 is home. 2 is camera. And 3 is map. I like that it doesn't sort those automatically by alphabet or anything. It just does that. Or by name, not by alphabet. You say by sorting by name, not by alphabet. And now I've got the phone, and I just need to drag those in there. Game object off, game object home, game object camera, game object map. Most likely there's still something's broken. Maybe it works already. Most likely things are broken. So right mouse button works. With the buttons, I should now be able to switch between them, between these things. And the camera works. Look at this. I've got this, and then I can switch between those 2 modes. 3 is the map, which doesn't show up. We're gonna do some karaoke. No, I sang a little bit, but that's it. 3 is not working yet. Why is 3 not working? I thought the camera wouldn't work, but the map doesn't work? Why is it the map doesn't work? Because the map is actually the easiest. Oh, I know why. No, I don't. Yeah, there. What did I just reset? Map. Revert, that's what I want to do. Of course, reset and revert are two completely different things. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of see-through. My phone is see-through. I need to change that. Oh, that works. And 4 is no app yet. But 4 is gonna be then messages or something. That works. I can switch between apps. Oh, this is great. I thought it would be way more broken. It's not. I'm not gonna do karaoke. No way. I sang already. I did my singing today. I could do. But that's it. You won't get more. From the beginning on, I want my home screen to be on. So that's why this here. And one problem we had, the home screen was a little bit see-through. That is because this alpha value is not 100%. Done. Should work. Oh, we're actually making progress again. We're always making progress. Oh, I still have to show you. I changed the scooter a little bit. Got this. I've got this. I like that the camera actually really works like a camera. Like if it's portrait, it's like this. If it's landscape, it's like this. Doesn't change too much, but still. Let me just see if I change one thing on this camera here. This one. Camera, yes, 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 yes. And there is a camera that is perspective. Maybe orthographic will make it nicer. Orthographic. Whoa, this is strange. Do you see it? This feels strange now. I have like this top view now. That's not what I wanted. And I don't understand why it does that, but okay, perspective that is. Field of view, way more. What's the standard field of view? What's the standard field of view of a camera? Of a cell phone camera? Standard field of view cell phone camera. Because there's definitely mine has 3 different cameras. There we go. Wide angle, no. Telephoto, that's probably the standard, right? Angle of view 40 to 25, no, that's definitely not it. Periscope, no. Wide angle is 84 to 62. Let's go into this middle. Let's actually say like 70-ish. 70. 70 it is. I want that realism here. Should look like a real cell phone camera, kinda. Kinda does. This is strange. It feels so 3D now. Especially in this mode, it feels really, really strange to have that phone camera on. Oh, the problem is I'm burning through battery if I do this. Oh no, I don't. Okay, that's good. One last thing that I want to have is you can turn the camera, the phone completely off. Like the screen and everything. It's going to be important later because the monster, whatever that is, doesn't like it sometimes. So you have to turn it off completely. And if you hit the Q button will turn it off. Q? Doesn't matter for now. Q will turn it off. Q. Is Q a good button? No, it's actually circumflex. Is it called circumflex? How is that button called? I have no idea. On the keyboard, it is a circumflex, but how's the button called? Not keyboard, you tool. That button there. No, it's not that button. Wait. Oh, it is different on the English layer. I didn't know. I can't use it then. That's a tilde. Can't do it. Can't do it. How do we turn off the phone? Let's say Q for now because I'm way too lazy to think. We don't have an app 4. App number 4 is going to be text messages, like a quest. This is how we get quests, through text messages. So Q can completely turn off the phone. So don't drain any battery. That worked. Yeah, that worked. Can turn it off and on now. Huang Duan? I can't pronounce that. You're very welcome. On off camera. Woo. Map. Map doesn't work anymore. Wait, no. Oh, camera is 2. Map is 3. Okay, that's good. Should we also use mouse wheel? Oh wait, I wanted to show you my scooter. The Scooty Scoot. So there's the scooters, and if I go to the street, press space to mount your scooter. There it is. I adjust the speed, so now it feels actually really nice. I cannot go right, left, and back anymore. I can only go like straight. I have to control it with my mouse. And it is indeed charging the phone already. So if I get off of this and I use some battery. Oh, I can't use battery anymore. I forgot. We can't use battery right now. If I would use battery right now, it's actually recharging. So, we don't have this anymore. Phone behavior. Yeah, now the single apps, they need to burn some battery. Who would have guessed? Therefore, I want to have another array. An array called battery charge. Battery app. Public. It's a float, and it's an app battery rate. An array, and that array has the same size as the canvas apps. And for every single app, we just have to choose if that app is on, how much battery does it burn. That's it. Wow, that's so difficult, right? And then app battery rate, I want a second one, which is not an array, but it's single float, and that one is current. Initialize it with 0. I'm a worm before I'm a man. Man, the music. I can't music. And now I just need to have those values in there. And I need to change it when we change the app. Hi, Nicolino. Hi. When we change the app, then the current rate will be the rate from the app. Rate current is the same as rate from app ID. Yeah, I'm creating apps here now. It's 1 year delay. I set the delay to pretty. It shouldn't be much. Hey, Ante, hi. It shouldn't be much. I don't have I didn't set any delay on. Let me see how much it is. Whoop. And I see it myself. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's a long delay. Why is the delay so long? That's like a 10 seconds delay. It's not on my side though. I have turned it off. I shouldn't have a delay. Strange. That's what it is. So we've got the app, we've got this, and then we just need to this rate. Of course, I need in my thing here rate current and just 1. Yeah. So if the scooter is actually charging, if the flashlight is actually with discharging, and then for every single app, I can actually control it. And therefore, I just want to, the flashlight rate is still there. Scooter rate, yes. Battery charge rate, that's the standard one. Repetition, no. Battery camera rate, yes. There we go. You're working on an app with your son. That's cool. You're just singing, Yayante. Let's put the rates in, I think. Yeah. Your son told you to watch the videos? That's funny. Wait, I think I remember when you were here. No, was it you? At some time like 2 months ago, there was someone with his son here. That was fun. Was it you? Maybe. I'm now here on this element, and now I have the element itself that I'm going to display, the app, and now here I can say how much battery is that app burning. That isn't a maze? Nah. That is recursive. That's recursive stuff. No, and I can't do that. I won't do that. That's too much effort. That's too much mathematics. I'm not here for the math. I'm here for nothing. 0.0. If it's off, we're not burning any battery. If it is on the home screen, it's actually burning battery, but very slow. If it's on with the camera, we're burning a lot of battery. We're actually burning 1% per second. So we need to be very careful with the camera, which doesn't make much sense, but that's what we have right now. If it's the map, we're also burning a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Oh, there. Let's see if we actually... Oh, they don't do it. Why don't they do it? Did I just not do it? So here we actually app battery rate current. If this is annoying here. Battery empty, I'll care about this later on. Switch orientation, no. App battery rate current is app battery rate app ID, yes. Can't you play Minecraft in third person? If you hit F11 or something? I think you can play it in third person. Oh wait, wrong button. FPS is dead. I'm programming an FPS game here. You can't tell me FPS is dead. F5, yeah, that's what I mean. Oh, it's actually changing it. You see it up there. Battery charge rate actually changes. Oh, it's positive. I need to make them negative. Oh. Okay. It goes. FPS is for me first person shooter off frames per second. You're right. Completely forgot that existed. Camera active, yes. Camera trigger is okay. Camera orientation? Phone orientation. That should be phone orientation. But okay. Why do I use it? Just let me... No, that should be phone. Sorry, I just pressed the button. I didn't want to. Marilyn Manson. I haven't heard that name in years. I mean, just depending... Well, you can listen to any kind of music and be any type of person. That's usually not related. And of course I changed this now, and I need to change the rates here. They need to be negative, of course. Battery needs to be burned and not added up. Negative. 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 Let's see. Your dreams are strange? Do you mean your dreams are strange? Why are your dreams strange? Or your drias? What are drias then? Yeah, we're burning through battery. Okay, that's good. And we're burning through battery at different rates. Oh yeah, the camera burns through it like fast. Also dreams, they don't tell you anything about anything. It depends on, like, I don't know what dreams really do. What they really tell you. Flashlight still works. So if I have the flashlight and something else on, it's actually both. It's burning through the phone really fast. Does my camera still work? Can I still point at that guy and he's gonna be good? He's gonna be gone? Because I need to fix that then. No, I have to do it. Camera active. Just changing some things in the scripts here. Where's my code editor? There. Camera is 2. If blah blah blah, then this. If app ID is equal to 2, then camera active is equal to true. Else not true. I could write this differently and easier and more efficient, but don't care. That's the one thing you can learn here, that like I don't care about if my code is efficient on PCs. On PLCs, different story. PLC code needs to be efficient. PC code, no one cares. There's someone behind my green screen? Probably not. Bolt in Unity, I haven't. No, I know it's visual scripting, but it also costs money, so I'm not, no. So that works. Camera active. That means I can now catch the ghost here again. Should be able to. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yoink. There she is. There she is. Look at her. Oh, the camera actually distorts everything. Oh my god, I can go in there. Thing, isn't it? Like, I haven't seen a single video of her or anything. There for you. Oh, Unity bought it? I didn't know. What was it called then? Bolt in Unity? Really? Let me check it out. I thought it costs a little bit. Like, there's those game makers, those playmakers and stuff. I don't really like it. I had my eye on this one here, on Game Creator, which seems like a pretty nice thing. But no, I like my flexibility if I just do everything on my own. I like my flexibility, so I'm not really. Yeah, Bolt still costs... No, Bolt is free, okay. I don't really like it. Of course I know about Unity's particle system. It's great. I have used it once. So far, I have used it here once. Twice, actually, for the campfire. The campfire, you can see it, like the campfire, that's all particles, and also on this thing here. When this one disappears, you see a little, like, shiny white particles. And that's also with the particle system. It's pretty good, I would say. Okay. Good, great. Next thing. Next thing. Does it work? I'm still baffled right now that it actually works. Shiny low quality particles. Yes, that's what we go for. So Q is turn your phone off. Now with 1, 2, 3 you can turn it back on. Okay, that's cool. Actually works. The controls are now a little bit more complicated, but I have buttons, so of course they need to be complicated. Our battery is already at 90. Ooh, whoops. I like that I'm burning through the battery quite fast, actually. Bitch. Got him. I taught myself C# in like probably a month. It's pretty easy to learn. I can turn it off. I can turn it on and off with F. Flashlight is still F, it's a different button. Don't say where you live. Gut Leutstraße. That's a nice street name. Don't tell anyone on the internet where you live. I live in Germany. It doesn't matter where exactly. I live in Germany. I mean, it's probably out there somewhere. You can Google my name and you will probably find where I live. But I don't really put it out there. Like all the YouTube stars and everyone, they don't put their address. They have a PO box to send them stuff, but that's it. Third worst place in the world? What would that be? My battery is almost empty already. Oh, I like this. I like the flow that the battery really empties out, depending on which app you use. Number 1 in corruption. Hey, Brazil! I forgot. You're from Brazil. It was Brazil, right? I live with the Führer. Maybe. Yeah. And you see, when I'm driving this thing, the battery recharges. So that's basically your safe home spot. Once I get off, can't really use it again. There we go. You're gonna get out of that shithole of yours. I didn't say shithole. I didn't mean shithole. I just repeated what you said. But yeah, travel the world as long as you can, or travel. I mean, we're on lockdown light now again, so I cannot go out. I've got 2 weeks of vacation now, and I basically can't do anything. I could go out if I want to, but and I will also still, like, for dinner and stuff, I will probably still go out. But I won't travel anywhere. I won't visit anyone. I just realized I'm just playing my game right now. Brazil is number 1 in beheading? There should not be something like beheading. Like, that should not exist. There should not even be a, like, list who's number 1 in beheading. That's insane, I would say. Best gore? I don't want to. I don't want gore. I'm not, like, in video games and stuff, I'm fine with it, but I'm not into gore. No, not my kind of stuff. So if you want to check how much battery you have to also turn your phone back on. I like this. I like this. This is good. It feels good. Like, the gameplay is not, like, not the best. What's beheading? Decapitation, like cutting someone's head off. That's pretty bad. If you're number 1, that's bad. So okay, I thought it would take longer to repair the phone. I didn't even realize it wouldn't be it would be this fast. Where did I learn English? Hi guy, hi. School is where I began learning it. Like, in Germany we have from 5th grade on, we start learning, no, 3rd grade actually. So when we're like 10, a little bit less than 10, we start learning English in school, everyone. And then I continued forever. Like, in my studies, I studied in English, or partly in English, and on the internet. That's where I learned most. Best gore? I don't want to go best gore, man. I'm not into gore. So there should be one more app. I need one more app, and that's going to be like text messages. So basically, stop spamming that, man. Stop spamming. Shh. Do I have to activate slow chat? Stop spamming. Shh. Did it automatically detect that? So I need one more app, and that's going to be like text messages. Shinekakuyoin. I don't know what it means. I know Kakayoin, isn't that the character from JoJo? That's the only thing that tells me something there. Text. Actually, the home screen could also be our text screen, but no. So app number 4 is our text. So we need actually 5 elements here, 5 elements there. And that's gonna be the text goes in here. Yep. If I'm looking at my text, do I still see my battery and stuff? I do, right? Yeah, so that's okay. Okay. So we will have texts and everything else on this here. I hate this. So here we have then our text app. We could make a different background and stuff. Meet spin. I don't want to, man. That all sounds disgusting. I don't want it. Let's see. Do I have like another background? Let's take this one. I don't care. It's just another background. Diffuse, whatever diffuse here is. Anything that we have as our text background here. Hi, Sacred Sword. Hi. How about Chainsaw? I don't know, man. It's all the same for me. If you're into gore, you should play 2 games. The goriest games I've played, like, it's not really gore, but Thrill Kill. Hi, Artux. Thrill Kill. Like, on the PlayStation 1, super gory. Nowadays, of course, it's ridiculous, but back then it was super gory. And the other one, which one was it? Yeah, Manhunt. Of course, Manhunt. I've played those. But that's the amount of gore that I need in my life. And we don't have that. No, I don't want those to be displayed on here. That's okay. Yeah, here we should. Postal wasn't that gory, I would say. Postal, you could just decapitate people, but it's not that gory. You can piss and decapitate. That's it, and you can explode. And a cat, you can use a cat as a freaking what is it, silencer? That was funny, but that's it. It wasn't really gory, I would say. So let's have like text. We need. This is gonna be. There's gonna be text messages here. Manhunt was banned in Germany. Yeah. Where are they? Hello. Oh, there. Oh, they're so tiny right now. The text messages are so tiny you can't even see them. What just happened? And of course, the background sucks, so you can see that as well. Yoink. We're an old person, so we need a really, really big text here. Let's take white or something. Phantasmagoria? That sounds strange. I'm not into that. I'm not into that shit. They don't ban stuff. Like, banned is a wrong word. They in Germany, we don't ban games, I think. I haven't heard of any game that is banned. We put them on an index, and you cannot get them. Like, you're not allowed to display them. Stores still have it, Stores still have it on their, like, behind their counter, but you have to ask and you have to show an ID to get the game. So stuff gets soft banned, if you want to call it like soft banned, would be probably kind of the right word. I like soft ban. It's a soft ban that games get here. I think we are done with the next app. Of course, the phone thingy, the messages don't do anything right now. That's gonna take like 10 hours probably to implement only this. I don't even know the music I'm listening to now. Rick Springsteen? Why is it so small on there? I like that my PC is so fast because usually I always just click play to test things. It's like buying drugs. What do you mean drugs? Like medicine? Then no, you don't have to show your ID. If it's like drugs, I don't know if you have to show your drug dealer your ID. I don't think so. Do you? That'd be funny. And then we have our app text messages, which is right now, of course, completely useless, but we still have it. So we got those. There's our camp. I love that we can rotate the camera now. And we can switch between the apps, actually, looking at stuff. And also turn it off so we don't burn battery anymore, which is almost empty probably. 82%. I gotta quickly go somewhere. You guys stay here. You guys think about what we are implementing next. Because it takes a minute. I'll grab some more water that's almost empty, and I will bring away some water that is too full, actually. If you know what I mean. I have to go pee-pee. Not poo-poo, but just the pee-pee. Not the pee-pee poo-poo, Giante. No, I will just get some new water, basically. And be back in a minute. You think about what we do. Don't let my battery run empty, right? I'm back. My battery is at 47%. Good job in not letting it get empty. Thank you. If it would be empty, I would just die in the woods, right? One thing I need to change is actually, now that I think of it, when this thing gets empty. Right now, nothing happens, I think, except I think the flashlight turns off, but it doesn't turn off anymore. I think, does it? Let me put the charge to 0. Oh no, it turns off. But then I can turn it back on. Oh no, because I'm an idiot. Let's see, does it actually work? Battery charge is almost at 0. It's at 0. Oh, I can, like, it flashes, but that's it. That is surprising. Because in the phone behavior here, I just have to add if the battery is empty. If the battery is not empty. They have like a battery empty thingy. Battery empty is here, yes. Camera active false. Yes. Flashlight active, yes. Problem is that it's just switching here. I will just say if battery charge is less or equal than 0.0, then do something called a return. Return, so it just won't go to all of these. Apple or waffle? What do you mean apple or waffle? A picture of a low battery? I don't. Yeah, I could, but I didn't really want to. Turning on anime, no. We're still working on it, so there's still a lot of things to add. You're right. Let's see if that works now. I have this. I have anything on. Doesn't matter what I have on. Let's go to 1% battery charge. Battery is almost empty. It's almost empty, and at 0, it should just turn off. And what? Oh, it didn't. It just go to that mode. Why does it go to that mode? Why doesn't it go to 0? Set active 0. I want this actually after this here. So it should always deactivate all the apps. If it's at 0, it should activate this app. And return. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Define the string theory, I can't. I'm not a physics person. I had physics like in my school times. When I was 16-ish. Not even. Yeah, until I was 16. I had physics as my main topic. Physics and math. Matics. Bosch or Makita? Bosch all the way. It's always Bosch. Ooh, that turns off and I cannot turn it back on. Oh no, my phone's broken. If I have the battery charge higher, let's see. Wait. Looks battery charge rate is -1 right now. Why is my battery charge rate -1? Oh, because I return. Yeah, of course. So all of this should actually be here. Why am I being called? I'm being called. I'll be back in a minute. Give me a minute. Ah, great, great. No audio, no audio. Great. I was telling stories. Sorry, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry for being back. No, I didn't say FBI. No, my little niece called. She's like almost 3 years old, and she was like, "Where are the cranes? Show me the cranes. There's construction outside," and I had to show her the cranes that are outside and stuff. Ah, it's always so cute. I can't say no to her, so I had to show her outside. Like, and I was on the phone with her. Such a cutie. Where are the cranes? Show me the cranes. I don't care about you. Where are the cranes? uh it's just strange, right? Girls? Should they like cranes? Shouldn't they like other things, like girly things? But she's like cranes. Where are the cranes? So good. Now that I got distracted. Twice, actually. I got distracted twice because I needed water and I needed to be on the phone with that little lady. Where were we? Phone works. Right. Except for messages. But messages right now, I don't... I mean, yeah, we're gonna have messages, but that's when we add story and all those. But we can theoretically already have messages. Right, so, or we have a place where to put them. We can't have them, but we have a place where to put them. What else? What do you think about what we had next? I should have thought about it. There's still so much. There's gameplay is missing. Like, that's the big thing. Gameplay is missing. Hey, Pasta Meme. Yeah, it is a lot of fun to make it. But now gameplay is missing. Let me actually export it and actually run it as a standalone right now. Let's run the game as like with everything that we have. Let's see if the look and feel are correct. Like, I want to play test this. So now we are play testing. Michigan. On the side, I'm just looking at Twitch, and is Among Us still the thing? Because I see people still playing Among Us a lot, and I'm like, no, that's boring. Oh, we've got the main menu. That is the camp, but it looks messed up. We need to correct this. Go home. Go home just quits the game. It's like, you're camping. If you go home, you're home. Let's go camping. There we go. We are camping now with our homies, with our friends here. We've got this here going on, the whole app thing here. Right mouse button does this. Does that. And of course, we can look at the map. Did I call it Invisible Pond? Invisible Pond. That's perfect. And then we've got our little pond here. Hi, Mr. Miss. And if I go to my phone app, camera app, camera app destroys the ghost. So that's a part of a gameplay. I really love how the camera looks like when we are in portrait. It looks so cool. It looks really good. This also, it looks okay, but this, really good. Oh, I forgot. Oh, we're burning through battery. Oh no, we burned through battery too fast. Uh-oh. How much battery do we have left? 64%. Oh no, it's almost dead. There she is. And now if I talk to her... Let's finish her. Let's finish her. Finish her! Let's not have a dialogue between... I mean, we will have not a dialogue system, but a system that actually tells us stuff. Let's just walk her back to camp. So we need to teach her how to get back to camp. And I completely forgot how to do this. Which is good. Because now then we can learn. Fatality. Finish her. Finish her. But first, let me fix the main menu here. Rooms? Scenes. camp. So we've got this camp here, and I just need to raise this. Camera belongs in here. I'm almost done fixing it. Yoink, and we're done. White. And we got touchdown here-ish. That's fine. So main menu is fixed. Was just the location was wrong here. The location of the items. Oh, this is interesting. There's something I didn't know. Not gonna cause problems, but I just learned something. And that is, we have this terrain. Like, the terrain is the map, and that is in both scenes the same. So in our main menu and here, it's the same thing. So if I change it in the game, it's also gonna change here. I need to keep that in mind. So main menu fixed. So she somehow needs to walk, right? She somehow needs to walk. And there are a couple of things we could do. We are going to use something called AI, artificial intelligence. There's Jessica Lake. Wait. Why would I do this? That's stupid. I open, select asset there. Yeah. Oh, that's stupid. Yeah, that's stupid. Oh, that's the name. Okay, no, good. It wasn't too stupid. It was stupid, but it wasn't too stupid. It's still okay-ish what I did. Doesn't matter what I did though. So now we've got her. What we need to give her is a couple of things. I have no idea how this works. Down here, you can't see it, but I have to add an item, and that item is of the category artificial intelligence. Where is it? AR, no. Event effects, playables, no. Rendering scripts, UI, video, new script, no. Navigation? She needs a nav mesh agent, but she also needs a... Is it just a nav mesh agent? Oh, it might be just a nav mesh agent. Is it? Navigation. Oh, nav mesh obstacle, that's good. Offlink, no. It's a nav mesh agent, yeah. So she just has this agent right now, which is a nav mesh, a navigation mesh. And she's humanoid. And what I can do is here, I can bake here the agent. We have a humanoid agent now. And I can bake. Baking means I can now see the area this thing can walk. This is how she can walk. She needs a little bit of a radius. She's got this height and this. Doesn't matter what all of this is. I'm building it now. You can't see it. It's right behind me. It's right down there. We're building this nav mesh. And this character can only walk on this nav mesh. What we can also say then is this thing is somehow smart. It has a speed, it has, you see that, it has different things. We can tell this nav mesh agent to actually follow a goal, like go somewhere. We can tell that thing. But to go somewhere, of course, I need coordinates. Right? We need coordinates, we need to go somewhere. So that's what we're going to create while it's building this. So it's kind of an AI. It is AI. It is actual artificial intelligence. So let's see. We will need 2 locations, I would say. We need to go here-ish, and then to the camp. Actually, 3 locations. How do I do this? I'll just call it quest. I'll just call it... Do I call it quest? Yeah, let's call it quest. Quest 001, Jessica Lake. And in here we're going to create objects. Right? Doesn't matter what it is, it just needs some coordinates. I will make it a cube, a sphere. So that I can see it. And she basically collects those. Goes there and collects them. Of course, I don't want to see it in the end, but for now, let's see it. I just want to have a different material in there. So that it's not too aggressive. Hi, Niraj. Hi. Let's make it greenish and let's make it see-through-ish. Maybe that's too much. Let's give it another tone. So we can actually see it. Yeah, that's okay. Because green, we couldn't see green in the forest. So that's the first. That's the second. How am I? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you? I'm listening to music. I've got my friends here with me in the chat online. I am programming. I'm good. How long have I been on? 1.5 hours. That's not too much. 1.03. And one more. She's gonna walk somewhere. Oh, this is her seat. She's gonna sit down there and then you can go here, lady. I don't know yet how I'm really going to do this, but we'll see. And then she kind of goes there, right? Or here. Maybe let's send her here. I don't want to, like, I would need to have a sit-down animation and all of that. I don't really want to have that yet. Because as always, first I want to build it and then details we can always do later. Whoops, the wrong button. Quest 00 Jessica Lake. She's somewhere here, right? Yeah. Let's see her for now. I already have a Jessica Lake script. That's perfect. Oh, and she's interactable. That's even more perfect. Public transform. We just need the transform of those objects that we have at the waypoints. We just need the transform element. And that is going to be waypoints. And I also want to have the nav mesh. I don't know what it's called, actually. I will have to look all of this up on another project that I did. Because I've done the same thing already, but I don't know how it works anymore. I haven't done the same thing, but something like this. It's not too difficult. It's almost done baking. Maybe Jessica should be in there. No. Waypoints, we're gonna have 4, and we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5? What do you mean with 5? Why do you write 5? Don't just write 5 in the chat. I mean, you can do it, but it's confusing me. Okay, that is okay. How did I do this? Like, let me open the other project I'm working on, because I need to copy and paste. Jody got married, should have known we never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. I can't sing. I shouldn't even try. Is my CPU actually at its limit? That's impossible. No, my CPU... Why does this go faster? My CPU is not even working. PC's fine. Just look at it. This is at 20%. This is at 48%. It's nothing. Why is it not loading faster? Oh, probably it's just using one core to load. That would make sense. It's the same wooden deck. That's funny. And here I have... Oh my god. I should work on this project more, actually. NPCs, NPC controller. Ooh, god damn it. I forgot everything here. Oh, I know where. No, my hard drive was also not at its limit, was it? No, it wasn't. Definitely my hard drive was also not at its limit. I wanted to upgrade my hard drive, actually. Or one of them. I've got 3 right now. But I can't, because my mainboard is too old. I bought it last year or so, and it's already too old. So we've got the nav mesh agent. Okay, that's what I want. Animation controller, I don't care. Enemy stats, I don't care. Enemy controller. That's all we need. How do we import this? NPC animation control. No, what? Nav match agent. Why didn't that work? Oh, I need to import the AI library. I'm an idiot. Of course I need to. If I don't import the correct library, of course it doesn't work. Guys, you could have told me. I bought that. I guarantee you this CPU is stronger than 99 or 95% of all the stupid what are they? Risen things. I guarantee you this CPU is stronger. It's quite the buff one. And back then, Risen, when I got it like almost 2 years ago, I would say, Risen was not even anything. But I'm thinking of no, I'm actually staying with Intel. I think so. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay with it. So I am going to need. So the first episode of Big Bang Theory, I also saw that like 15 years ago. 15? How old is Big Bang Theory? 2011? I think first episode something. Gonna be this way. Maybe I should not have her as interactive. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I would have gone crazy. I didn't know why I couldn't import the animation, the nav mesh, and there's of course just one reason, because hey, the library is missing. I'm just copying and pasting things right here. So yeah. Aired in 2007? Whoa, that's long ago. That was like definitely later than 10. Because I got in contact 2012, I think. There was one lady, she said, "Hey, have you ever watched Big Bang Theory? This is about nerds, and you're a nerd." And I was like, "Yeah, lady, shut up." I haven't heard of it, but why do you insult me this way? That was really rude of her. I still remember it 10 years after. um, oh, they did it like this. No, I'm gonna do it like this. I don't care. Transform target. That one is gonna be private. Let's make it. I don't care. Everything in my project can be public. I don't freaking care. Not really. Like, if I don't want to watch anything, I just don't. I'm not going to. Bazinga, you punk. I should have bazingaed her right there. Like, but no, I'm not aggressive. Of course not. Start position, nav mesh, stopping distance. That is interesting. I'm just copying and pasting things right now. Oh, you can see what I'm copying and pasting. So there's my update function of the other thing that is float distance. I don't care about the distance. I made this script for a character that can attack you if at a certain distance and all that stuff. I don't care. I care about this. Nav mesh set destination. Right. So we need to set the destination, and that I will do in the update function. Let's keep it there right now. It's not start position, it is target. Hey, I'm copying and pasting from my own code. Why doesn't this... Do I need a vector 3 target dot position? Do I need a vector... Yeah. Let's see, the other stuff, animation facing the target. Oh yeah, that would be important. Ugh, what is this? I'll just take that. Oh, that is actually a good script. Love it. So when we talk to her, she will also face us. That's good. I'm glad I did that. I have no... On Gizmo's draw, I don't want this. Enemy melee hit, enemy attack. That's it. I think that's it already. Like, I need to tinker around here a little bit, of course. But that's it. You saw Friends 1994. I saw Friends also 1997 maybe or something. 1994 was I was 16. Oh, I probably watched it back then, yeah. No, I was 6. 1994? Is it that old? Is it that old? I mean, it is, but man. 1994. Wow. That's old. No pointers in language. Depends on the language. Sometimes you need pointers, but I also don't like using them. I don't need this anymore. I don't care. Oh, we're done bacon. Oh, we're done bacon. Navigation. It should actually show that to me now. Why doesn't it? Oh, do I need to make them static? No. Maybe it works already. I don't know. Let's hope. But I usually can see the nav mesh. Doesn't matter. As always, doesn't matter. That's kind of my attitude here, right? That's bad. It's actually a funny idea, Sacred Sword. That would be fun. So target is this. I saw Friends, yeah, of course. I probably skipped an episode here and there, but I saw it. Most of it. How do my interactables actually work? That's it? Did I write it this badly? Perfect. And I have phone. Phone lake. Did I write it this way? That's so bad. Update. Yeah, I did. Fine then. That's so bad. Ugh. In cursor, that shouldn't be here. That should be in the interactable script. Sorry, I'm just changing a thing here and there. Private, that's fine. That's fine. It should work now. Hi, Machi. Hi. Sing the theme. Wait, what was the theme? Oh, make an OnlyFans account. No, no, no. I'm trying to remember it from, like, I have to turn off my music now. I'm trying to remember it. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. uh, you're old, you're broke, your love life's DOA. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. 'Cause I'll be there for you. 'Cause I'll there for you too. I'll be there. I have watched too many episodes, so I still know that shit. Wait, phone lag is mono behavior. What? Why is it not interactable? Why did... Wait a second. That should be an interactable as well. I'm an idiot. I just need to fix a couple of things here that I made stupid. And I hope I won't break everything. In Germany have any good shows? Yeah, probably, but not that I remember. When I was a kid, I just watched cartoons. And they were international. I don't really like German TV or German shows. Give me a minute. I need to concentrate for a minute here. Because I don't want to break everything. Okay. Should have been it. Brachy's mode on. No, every once in a while I also need to concentrate actually if I do something. I'm always talking to you guys, but of course that's not the best way because hey, I could like make mistakes, which I sometimes do. Why does this not work? She is interactable. Interactable has a boolean that is in cursor. Does it need to be protected or what? Okay, sure, why not? I don't care. My grandpa, I don't know what my grandparents thought about World War II. I really have no idea. I've never talked to them about it, and they passed long time ago. Actually, no, the last one passed this year, but like my grandmother on the father's side, but yeah, I don't really know actually what the older generation thinks about World War II. There's all sides. Probably most that think, oh, it was a good thing, though. They now live in what was it? Argentina. It was just a mess. And also, my grandparents, they weren't alive during World War. They were born. No, they were alive. Second, yeah, second they were. When did it end? 42? They were alive. They were alive. Very welcome, Tontayan. Stop with the difficult names. Stop having difficult names, guys. That's okay. That's fine. Interactable has these two functions. That's okay. Jessica Lake does not need phone picked up function. That doesn't make any sense. We should have an use function or something, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Phone picked up. No. Void talked to. Yeah, that's fine. Base target. I'm just sorry. I'm really thinking. We don't. It's not really. No one cares about our pronouns. You can say it wrong, and people mostly understand. Probably transform targets, nav mesh set destination target dot position. No, that's not what I want. Do I want this? No. I want this. When you talked to her, then she's gonna go to a position, and that is waypoint number 1. Okay, that is okay. So that's when she's gonna go there, and she's gonna face the target as well. Waypoint number 1. Why do I not do this? Direction target dot position set destination. Face target dot position. Is the target the destination? Probably is, right? Let me see. Acceleration, area mask, auto path, desired velocity, blah 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 blah. Radius, path, path end position, path status. There's something called path. That's cool. No. The destination is the target. Why do they use two different words? That's silly. But okay. I mean, I could have broken everything. I could have also done it correct, and it works now. So we've got those two things, guys. Cross your fingers. Some serious finger crossing right now here, because I don't know. In the beginning, of course, the target should be the player. Shed, yes. She should be facing us already, I think. Does she? Oh, but she's... Something happened. At least something happened. She's down there now. Get rid of the ghost. Where's the ghost? Ghost, come here. Ghost, be gone. I didn't see it. Let's pick up the phone and I can talk to her. Uh-huh. Where's she going? Bitch, where you going? Sorry, I didn't want to call her a bitch. I'm sorry. She's short as fuck. Yeah, because she was underground, she lost her legs. But yeah, she's short as fuck. But it worked. It worked. I don't have a walking animation or anything. That's... Of course, that stuff needs time and stuff. Let's see. One thing that was strange is that she actually fell through the ground. Through this thing. That doesn't make much sense. Oh, because this is not... I need to make this static. It makes sense. Let's be static. Oh, do I need to rebake it now? I think I need to rebake it. Doesn't matter, I can do that in the background. She can just start here, I don't care. For all I care, she can just start here. Maybe that was a different problem. Maybe it was different? Was it a different problem? Stop baking, I don't care. Was it a different problem? Is she now still... No, she now sits there perfectly. Almost. She's still hovering a little bit. I don't care. Why are you hovering? I don't care. If I talk to her, she's gonna go there. Let's fix this. Let's finish this script here. I don't need this anymore. Actually, update. I want on update, I want her to face the target all the time. So she also faces us because we are the target in the beginning. Let's see if that works. She should now be creepy and always stare at us. Which is fine because she's creepy. Look at her, she's creepy. She's still hovering a little bit, but that's... I can fix that later on. And if I press E, she should not face us. That's strange. Oh wait, I'm the target still. No, that's not right. Oh, it is destination and target are two different things. So what I expected... That's why I said it would be stupid to say that. That makes sense. But how do I set the target? Face target? Target.position. Oh, this is completely... Oh, the nav mesh doesn't even have a face thing. This is a completely separated thing. Update target. No, this is talked to. And then target... No, this goes in here. She's the final boss. Hey, I won't tell the plot to anyone. That's the thing. There's going to be plot, and I don't tell the plot to anyone. That should be it. So there is plot. And she's got something to do with something. And I already thought about it. Like, I have quite a good plot already in my head. Which I won't tell anyone. Because I don't want to spoil the fun. Look at this. She's facing us now. She's always blow kissing. Mwah. Mwah, all the time. Perfect. If I talk to her, she should face there. Yeah. She's perfect. She's walking. Look at her. She's walking. I will make a walk-in animation. Don't worry. Invalid. Oh, that's okay. Look rotation viewing vector is 0. I don't care. Fucking care. Good. Almost there. So when we talk to her, she's gonna get to the destination, right? To the other waypoint. Final boss confirmed. There's not bosses. How do you even think there's bosses? Navmesh 0. 0? And the next thing is, I don't want to do that in her script. I want to do that in the waypoint script. Because she should walk from waypoint to waypoint. Once she reached one destination. No, that's stupid. I have to do it the other way because that's on trigger. I already have the on trigger method. I could extend it, but I don't want to. No, I'm gonna do it in the waypoints. That does matter. So Jessica, you have a box collider. That's okay. So those also need. They have sphere colliders. Do they? Whoops! I didn't even realize I cannot walk into them. They are like. Oh, they are. They are like obstacles. Look at me. I can walk on them. Oh, that's not what I wanted. No, those have to be all of these. They have to be triggers. She's got a box collider and she's got a rigid body. That's perfect. That's what we want. Because now those waypoints, they will get a script called waypoint. Who'd have guessed? I'll call this one actually waypoint Jessica. Is there like a destination reach thingy? Destination reached Unity Navmesh. Okay, that's easy. What is this? I don't even get this function, but I mean, it makes sense. If path pending? Distance check isn't always accurate. Okay, interesting. Nav mesh, path pending, okay. Uh-huh. That one makes sense. I'll just take it until here. Whoopsie, I broke the whole thing by just adding things without brackets. Always add your brackets. Set waypoint. I completely forgot you're out there. Hey guys, you still there? Because I'm concentrating, actually. It's so silly. Um, so we're gonna change the waypoints here. If we first talk to her, we're gonna go to a waypoint 0. That's okay. And the next times, whenever we are too close in there, we're gonna add that on top there. If path is pending, if the remaining distance is, hey Anak Tentara, hi, is less than a stopping distance, then we're gonna go into set waypoint, and we're gonna go into set waypoint. We don't need the current waypoint then. Do we? No, we don't. I mean, we do, but it automatically does that anyway. Does that anyway, so yeah. There we go. Because thus current waypoint, and the only problem we will have if she has reached the last waypoint, she's gonna be like, oh, and the whole game is broken. But that's a different story. Let's first test if this works. So we don't have compile errors, we don't have errors. Why did she start walking already? Oh, I know why, but that's a different thing. So she would go there, there, there. Oh, she's actually facing those. She's gonna go there. She's gonna go there. And then, yep. Then we're gonna have an error here. Perfect. Because here, set waypoint. I mean, this is gonna be high load on the CPU, but I don't. Do I care? I just have to do it in here. Optimize later. You're right, Peter. That you're 100% correct. That's what I'm. But I actually want to make it run. That's that's still a problem. That didn't make too much sense, but it's been 2 hours, so I don't know what I'm doing anymore. One problem that I have: why did she start running already in the beginning? Face target, input get keys, set waypoint, but why does it already have a destination in the beginning? Oh. Because of this, yeah, because she already did that. Nah, I need to make a variable. Shit. But I don't need that later for troubleshooting, so I will keep it private. Talked to. So we'll only do this if she has already been talked to. She was not talked to, but she already went into that script. That's why she automatically went to the next waypoint. I think so. I don't know anymore. I think I need to take a break very soon. I can already say thank you for joining today. Yeah, look at her. She's facing me still. If I talk to her, she's gonna run to the first point there. She's gonna run to the next one. She's running to the next one. I love her like emotion emote. She's running to the next one, and now it should be done if I did the look rotation viewing vector is 0. Frick do I care about? It's not an error. Okay, she's fine then. I think last thing that I still want to change now is she should also get that animation. Oh my god. And that's gonna actually take some minutes. But that's okay. I'm gonna add animations to her now. What is her name? Jessica Sophie. Okay. Sophie, we first need to download a Sophie animation, which we of course do on Mixamo. A website here that has free animations, free characters. That's where we got Jessica from. I need to log in, which I won't show you. Did I show you my password? No, good. There we go. So I'm logged in. And there we need her. Sophie. Where's Sophie? Give me Sophie. There she is. And Sophie needs an animation, and that animation is walk. Maybe we'll find just a walk animation. Oh, look at this. This is stupid. Tough female walk. Walker walk. No, drunk walk backwards. Walking like this. She's not. What is she? Like, she's not an walk. Just a normal walk. There we go. In place, please. Yeah, she's gonna do this. Look at this. This is nice. Without the skin, I don't need her skin on this. I just need the animation data. What day is today? Do we have Monday? Because I don't remember. I'm on vacation now. So I completely forgot which day is this already. So she will get an animation, and that is walking. There we go. Now we have Jessica Lake. Jessica Lake needs to have that animation in there. Should we call it Mixamo? That's not a good name. Oh, that's bad. Can I not rename it? I can't rename it. Oh, they're both going to be called Mixamo. That's fine then. Oh, it gets a different color. That's at least something. Yeah, it's Monday. Thank you. So on an animation, I hate this. Does she have that animator on there? Animator, yeah. She's got Jessica Lake, and that's this one here. We have this animation. It starts right now with mixamo.com. Great, perfect name, I know. Hey, Yellow, the Arctic Wolf. Thank you. I'm doing great. We're doing great. I'm almost about to finish. I just want to finish some animations here. You can join in on the fun. So from this, I want to make a transition, and that should go here, right? That should go here. And that transition needs a condition. Now we see it. You can see it because she's right behind me. You can see it there, how it's going to look like. She blow kisses. Mwah, and then she just starts walking. So to not have this, what do I do? It's been 2 hours. I can't program for 2 hours. Great. Yeah, to not do this unconditionally, we need a condition, and that condition has to be a parameter. Right? We need to add a condition here. Hi, Simon. Hi. We need a parameter, but the parameters don't exist. We can add some parameters here. I will create a new one. It's a boolean, and that boolean is walking. And that I can use as a parameter in here. So what I have to do is I have to set this parameter true, and then she starts doing this. I will just test it here. Is walking here, and maybe it works already. I mean, it won't work, but maybe we can already see her walking instead of blow kissing all the time. That's not what you should. She's walking now. Look at this. She stopped walking because it doesn't loop. Look at that stupid ghost. Yeah, okay, so we need to make some changes here. But kind of works. So this one here, the transition, the one that we have is this one here, and that should be on loop. Boink. So now she loops when walking. That was the first thing. Let's see. So she blow kisses, and after that she should start walking. She's running. She's running. She's really fast. That's okay. No, let's slow her down a little bit. And yes, I know we're not here for the details. I know I make details offline, but just a little bit. Let me do some details, please. There, this way. Just go. That's better. That's way better. Look at this. This looks good. It does look perfect, but it looks good. You're also a game developer. You make music and drawings. I don't do that music and drawing stuff. It's also a horror game. Give me the name. Do you have it on itch.io or somewhere? I can have a look at it. She's walking. I mean, she always stops that awkward stop moment there. Let's get rid of that awkward stop moment for... And yeah, I know it's details. I'm not here for details, but that's okay. The remaining distance is less than plus 2 meters. Now she shouldn't stop because she always got into the stopping distance. And she always stops. Of course she stops if she's in the stopping distance. Called Stinrix. Stinrix. I probably can't find it, right? Shingrix. Stinrix by Yellow Wolf Production. Oh, you have a website and everything? That's cool. Game Jolt. Yeah, okay. It's not itch.io, it's on Game Jolt, okay. I might have a look at it. Let's see. There she goes, blow kissing, and she can walk now, and she should also not go that yeah, she doesn't go there. She doesn't stop anymore, that's what I meant. But now it's a little bit too much. Let's go bring that down to like 1 meter. Good. Walk-in animation. Oh, right. The thing that she does, she also already does that walk-in animation when she before she walks, which is not correct. Believe me or not. Believe it or not, she should not start that stupid animation already. She should only do that when she was talked to. So the animator, we have this animator now. We need to add the animator into our script here, which is a public animator. And oh, why did I? Ooh, that's stupid, but okay. Animator. What was her name? Jessica. Why did I do this? I hate this. Why? This is ugly. I hate when things are ugly. It was another programming style I had back then. Let me just quickly change this. And target should also be small. Target. Yeah, so as you see, we're getting close to the end because the animation was the last thing I wanted to do. For the day, might still take an hour, as I know me. So we've got animator Jessica. When we talk to her, set bool. Oh shit, I don't know how this works. Set bool ID. What is the ID? How did we call it? Is walking. And talked to. Sure. Let's say true. Okay, that's it. I have no idea how any of this works. Yeah, of course. There should be a lot of stuff. Yeah. The variable target of Jessica has not been. That's okay for now. Okay. So she just blow kisses. Why? Why is she not looking at me? Jessica, look at me. If I talk to her, there's no sound at all in the game yet. When I talk to her now, Jessica, what's wrong? Why are you broken now? Jessica's broken. Oh, no, it's not. Jessica's not broken. I changed the name of a variable. Of course, I have to relink it. Here, Jessica. Of course, I have to link it now. Navmesh is this one here. Target is the character, is the player, which is Chad. Animator is your animator, please. I know I could have linked all those using scripting, but I didn't want to. There she is. She's facing me. Blow kissing. Jessica. Blow kiss Jessica. There you go. Once I talk to her, she changes direction and she starts walking. I know it's ugly. Don't get me wrong. I know it's ugly, but it's an indie game. Who cares? And now she goes and she walks and she walks. We could also make her sit down in the end. Should we? I mean, I'm already doing it. No, I won't. I've got some movement here and she just moonwalks now. Perfect. Great moonwalk there, Jessica. Great. Developed since 2015. I started this year. Yeah, I started. No, I think I started last year, but didn't do anything. And now I'm here doing this. But Unity is quite a nice engine. I like it. I also thought about learning Unreal, but I didn't like how Unreal Engine feels. Let me just fix one last thing. And talked to not. So you can only talk to her once, because that was, of course, an error, a bug there. Yeah. Okay, full of confidence, I'm gonna close my programming editor. I will deactivate Jessica Lake here. I will save the project. I will now maximize it. No, I won't maximize it because I still want to see all the errors down there. I want this. Yeah, I mean, learning it. I can learn any language, any tool probably, but it just felt nicer. I like the looks of it. I like the feel of it. Let's go to the lake here. Oh, the ghost. Oh, spooky ghost. Boo, boo, boo. Camera. I put it on camera. Haha, you idiot. I got you on camera. Ha, you're gone. Okay. Let's turn the phone back off and let's pick up the phone. She should be here now. There she is. Hey, Jessica. How are you doing? Why are you so tall? Oh, you're above me. I know that I can make this better, but it's, as I say, I don't really care. Why is your hair so glowy? Jessica, stop having such glowy hair. And in the end, it doesn't really. It's for indie development, it doesn't matter at all. Because Unreal is better for the future, but nah. There she goes. She looks like a sister. Look at them. They're twins, almost. And she goes here, and then she basically could sit down now, but no. Great, Jessica. Thanks for coming here. And I cannot talk to her again. Perfect. I didn't break it. Okay. Let's hop on the scooter and then ride into dawn. No, can I maximize this actually? Gizmos? Ooh, there's so many gizmos. Ooh. Let's ride into dawn, right? We have our scooter. Woo! So everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for following. Thank you for joining me, talking to me, keeping me company while I do stupid nonsense. And let's ride into dawn until I hit the end of the road and I say, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see ya next time around and have a nice day. And let's see, where is it? There it is. And bye-bye! Woo!